Okay, so here's what I'm dealing with at the moment. I went to do a finish pass on this, and it dropped down 37 millimeters. Well, 37 on the scale, I assume that's millimeters. But it went right down. You can see where it started to ramp in, and it just went right down and cut a rabbit. So, I rebooted the computer, got that all straightened out, and ran a few up and down tests. Before I rebooted the computer, the up and down test was zeroed here. Run it up 20 millimeters, 20 clicks, whatever. Run it back down 20, and it was pushing down, jamming down into the wood. So it was losing steps. So, at that point, I decided that I needed a young priest and an old priest. And I rebooted the computer and ran it again. And if you'll watch, one click, no spin. Click again, no spin. I have determined that I have, I think it was 42 volts at these connections. So, spindle number 2. Here's screechy spindle number 1. This is a warranty replacement that the company graciously sent me. It's got maybe 16 hours on it. Maybe 10 to 16 hours. And yeah, it's not stuck. No spin. So I guess I'm going to have to go back to spindle number 1, which is still spins. I don't know how you're supposed to oil these bearings. I really don't. There's got to be a way. But yeah, this one, I guess, I mean, I've got to finish the carb, so I guess I'm going to have to. I'm going to have to put that one in, but man, these things don't last at all. So again, I'm going to send this video to the manufacturer and see what they say. Maybe I'm missing something. I don't know. But something ain't right. For it to do that on a finish pass is nuts. And then now it just won't turn on. So we got some ghosts or demons here. We'll get it done. We'll figure it out somehow.